I need some gloves on. Some gloves. I don't know the age of this house, but it's not that old. Not that old at all. Whoop! Just get it off. Whoop, 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 whoop. I need a labourer. Yeah. Okay, so I'll have to put a bit of timber in there. That's a bit bodgy dodgy. Where is my best place for the niche? There, I suppose. There or here. Yeah, I'll see. Hopefully there's just a stud there and one there. Might be one in the middle. I'll see. I'll see when I get there. With the tile on the sheet, it makes it quite heavy. I'll trim that after. I want to get this floor up first. And we're laughing. It's I don't think it's ever leaked or anything like that. It's just it's out of date on the Gold Coast of Australia. Everything dates.